So here we are in Caz after a big ass snowstorm. You can kind of see the snow up on the barn there, at least I don't know, maybe 3 feet or so. Cob Cadet wouldn't start this morning, but we finally got her started. I had to basically plow a new path, couldn't even see where the driveway was. Looks like that bush got donated. House almost completely buried in snow. You can see the deck right there. Snowpack is almost all the way up to the upper railing. Clean as a whistle, so I let garages for. This tree all the way down to the ground here. Pretty insane snowpack. That was up over the Cub Cadet, up over the blower. There she is right there. A little frozen this morning, but finally got her working. Thank God. That thing is a freaking lifesaver. I would have died. Kate's car, buried this morning. Had to have her dad take her into work. Almost didn't get her out. Here we go. Pile of snow. Almost as tall as I am. Here's the path I shoveled out for the furniture people. Completely snowed in again. And you can see the amount of snowpack on the deck itself again, almost all the way up to the railing. A lot of snow on the roof there. Insanity. Welcome to Cazenovia.